Welcome, everybody, to the Photoshop Tip of the Week. I am Woody Walters, and you're here for that tip, so let's get started. Hey, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about composition and space, and I'm going to emphasize that word space because a lot of you are doing like your powders and your particles and your fog images and so on, and I just want you to take a peek at these. I'm just going to go through here and just take a peek at them because I want to make a point that I think should be cleared. But look at the breathing space that I'm putting around these images. I want you to see the breathing space. Giving the subject a place to move. It's not just all locked in. Boom, boom. And we're going to start with this one here. And so I'm going to do Control T. Let's talk about this image for a second. We have all this swirls and fog and smoke coming up here and building up into making this woman what she is. And if I make her bigger, it really kind of hurts the image. Now let's reposition her. See, to me, when I look at this and give it a second to transform it, because we're working on the actual images and these are large images, but when I transform that, she doesn't breathe. Look how the background is now playing with her and interacting with her. Here it doesn't. There it does. And she can breathe. And the same thing if I go to here. If I size him, I'm going to reduce him a little bit, but if I size him, it's too much. Look at that. Look at the difference in that. Here he has room to breathe. And then also someone commented on the exclusive group, do you sign your work? And my answer is yes, I sign all my illustrations and I hand sign them. But look at this. I can't have those horses here bigger than that. If I do, you just don't get the freedom. And look how the background now is not nearly interacting with the subject matter. And I think that's critical to understand that. Look at how the background is now playing with the subject matter, where here it's not. It's just a background. So there's a thin line between, using your background to really enhance your subject matter versus just having a background in there. And I think that just goes with everything here. If I sized her bigger, she loses all the effect of the background. If I bring that up, it just, now the background's not working with it. Where here, the background is a part of it. And that's what's so important to understand. And same thing here. If I size him up, watch this. You lose everything that makes this. See, it's not interacting with the background. Well, here it's interacting with the background, and the background can breathe with the subject matter. And so I just wanted to point that out because a lot of you are doing so many particles and so many powder and so many fog and smoke and lightning and everything else, with these custom brushes. Give your subject space. Let your background interweave and be a part of your subject. Have it become part of the subject matter. And that way your background and your subject will really blend together and you'll just bring so much more impact to your images. So give that a try. Hey, everybody, there's your tip for the week. If you like these tips, be sure to look into joining the exclusive group. Let us elevate your art and your craft to the next level. Let us take you to the next place where it's going to open up your creativity and make your images just have that impact that you're so striving for. So check out the exclusive group. And so until next week, shoot from the heart, shoot with passion. We'll see you here at the Photoshop tip of the week.